Yeah, I'll never say no to Aaron and Terry ever because I love being a part of the show. Love what the two regular guys does. Yeah, the Sustainable Merch Summit was unbelievable because sustainability is a personal passion of mine, but I also see like a real movement in the industry to make a change. Um, all right, I guess since Terry promised it, here's my sustainability superhero name is Sustainable Sally. It's what my husband calls me around the house because I also force my sustainability beliefs upon my husband and children. So if you ever see me out in the wild, you're feel free to address me by Sustainable Sally. But that's not what we're here for. Here to read a few news headlines for everybody this beautiful Friday. First headline I have to share with everybody, in case you missed it, Hanes names SNS Activewear the exclusive distributor in North America. So SNS Activewear and Hanes brands announced an agreement that makes SNS the exclusive distributor of the Hanes brand in the North American printwear channel. This announcement came shortly after correspondence from SNS that they have completed the customer and website integration with Alpha Broder and are moving forward under the SNS name and structure. So, with this exclusive partnership, SNS will not only carry the full range of Hanes styles, but will also offer deeper inventory positions and enhanced availability across its national distribution network. So, for right now, customers may continue to purchase Hanes products from other distributors through the transition period. The partnership will be fully operational by December 31st of this year. Second headline I have for everybody, World Emblem signs lease to open new factory in the Dominican Republic. So World Emblem announced it has signed a long-term lease for the new factory located in Santiago de los Caballeros in the Dominican. Construction of the approximately 100,000 square foot plant is scheduled to begin this month and be completed by early 2026. So approximately 100 employees will be hired to work at the facility to start, with 500 jobs created in total. And then finally, this headline, Cyberattack incident compromises North Face customer data. So there's two reasons why I'm sharing this morning, but first let's talk about the actual headline. So about 1,500 users of the North Face brand's website were impacted after a cyber attack on the company that happened in April. The attack, which was confirmed by the company to Fashion Dive, which is another publication in the industry, compromised customers' email and shipping addresses, names, dates of birth, and telephone numbers. And that's according to a consumer notice letter posted by the Attorney General of Vermont's office. A spokesperson of the company reports that an investigation found no credit card information was compromised. So first big reason I wanted to share this headline is we are seeing more and more cyber attacks on companies throughout the industry. So a lot of people think that cyber hackers are attacking big companies. That's not necessarily true. We're actually seeing a shift where they're starting to attack smaller companies. So it highlights the importance of cybersecurity, even for apparel decorators, which is point number two, why I wanted to share this headline, is you need to do your due diligence and really pay attention. So if you're looking for some cybersecurity tips, I've done a couple podcasts with the folks at Clients First Business Solutions where we discuss ways that you can protect yourselves. So definitely, pay attention. It is an important topic. Aaron and Terry, back to you guys.